Okay, hello folks. Shelly want me to use this for my gardening, and it just landed. She bought me this hover drone, and it just landed for some reason. Anyway, we're going on my garden picking. If this works, I'm using both cameras.
Please hold the device to face the user. 5 feet. Zoom out.
Oh. Wait a minute, I had this wrong setting. Now zoom out.
Follow.
Okay, this is where I want it.
Continue. Follow.
Okay, might be a little noisy, but anyway, it's going to follow me. Here's my roses here, our roses. Let's walk toward the garden here. It won't follow me in front, it only follow me in back. It has 11-minute battery in it, so my gardening takes more than that. So we're going to walk back here. Okay, first of all, let's pick a raspberry. Yeah, before they go bye-bye. We're going to pick a raspberry. See? Okay. Here's my watermelon. Here's my tomatoes. The Rutgers. Ooh. It won't back up. Okay. No tomatoes on there. And we got one green pepper here, small. I'm picking it. Okay. By the way, today is Saturday, October 21st, I think. Oh, look at that one. Look at that baby. See that? And let's see what else we got here. That's all I'm gonna pick on that one there. And do I see anything red in here? It's a little windy here. You can see that drone's trying to have a little trouble. It's a little drone, lightweight. And no tomato there. Let's look over here. Come on, drone, you helping me? You helping me, drone? Thought I saw one in there earlier when I was watering. I water today. Wait a minute, what do we got over here? That's a brown leaf over there. Thought I saw one in there. No tomato there. Let's walk back over here again, drone. Tell you what, let me pick this one here. It's gonna go bad if I don't. Okay. Okay. Oh, that stuff's something around here. Oh, what was that? Oh, that's a red pepper. That's what that was. See that? It's supposed to be yellow. It's a big one. It's a big one. Okay. Okay, let's walk down the steps here. Oh, let's look at the zucchinis. See, there's 2 of them. There's a couple of marrow plants too. Here's another one becoming a female. We might have 3 zucchini out of this. As long as we keep an eye on it. Okay, my onions is coming up here. See my onions? Kind of late in the season for it though. Okay. There's a grape tomato. See that grape tomato? What you doing? There's another one I'm picking. Another one. Okay. The bad thing about this drone here, well, the good thing, you can hold out your hand and land on your hand. I'll have a review about it sometime on my Alan Unleashed channel. Okay, here's 2 tomatoes here. So if you want to see that, subscribe to Alan Unleashed also if you're on Alan to everything. That one ain't no good. Here's one. Picking them early. Picking them early. Trying to go pretty fast before they run out of juice. I got an extra battery though in my pocket. I don't know what's going to do when it runs out of juice. So, let me see what we got in here. Green tomatoes. Green tomato. Any jalapenos? I forgot to check back here. Oh, here's one with a hole in it. That can stay there. That can stay there. We got a lot of jalapenos in the house. I'm not too worried about them right now. Not on that plant. There's probably a back plant here. I know I broke part of it off. Yeah. Here it is right here. Nope, nothing worth picking. Okay, what we got here? Oh. Let's see. No, I'm gonna keep them on. Keep them on. You notice I got a jacket on. It's been pretty cool. I'll take that one. It just came right off. Yeah, I'll take that one too. Yeah. Okay. No tomatoes, I don't see. I don't think. Yeah, this time of year, these stems get really stiff. Have to be careful with them. Otherwise, crack them. Break them. There you go. See. What's we got down here? There's the big one. There's the big one. See? I don't know what that drone's going to do when we run out of juice. Land or crash or what? We'll find out. Stay tuned. I don't have nothing in there. Oh. Okay, we'll come down here. Oh, do I have any yellow peppers? I know I got a bunch of red ones from the yellow ones. I want them. I still got a lot of yellow peppers in the house. No. I'll keep these on for a while longer. Look at all the red ones. I'm not going to mess with those. I wonder if the cold weather, the cooler weather doing that, make them turn red. Anyway, I seen pepperoncini here. Pepperoncini. See, that's all. That's all I saw. The other 2 plants, they're no good. Okay, that's all I'm picking on that one. And no, nothing over there. Watermelon's starting to get away, starting to fall down now. But the tundra, still green. Come here, drone. Oh well. Okay, nothing in here. Looks like my tomato picking is getting a little slow. And my peppers. That's all I got so far, see? Let's run over here to the strawberries. Oh, the light's flashing. Green. Okay, when that thing runs out of juice, it just lands itself without crashing. That's good. Okay, let me change batteries now on this drone. This is not a review about it yet. That will come later. Okay. Battery's pretty warm. Gotta hold it first.
Current mode, follow.
Okay, turn it back on.
Continue, follow.
Gotta let it see your face. Okay. Now we're back in business here. Now what I want to do this time, I want the drone on the other side of me. So what I'm going to do is step down here over the wall. And we're going to do it this way. Up drone, up. Okay, let's see what we got in here. See, I can set that drone farther away, but I got it set at 5 feet from me. Yeah, look at strawberries. Nice and big 'em. One. Two. Okay, no more there. Uh-oh. What happened to that drone? It just laid itself down. Okay. Let me walk around here. Oh, I forgot to reconnect my phone to the drone for one thing. Oh, I don't want to zoom out. I'll follow. Close. Let me do standard. See, I haven't been playing with this drone much lately because it's been too windy for it.
Continue, follow.
Okay, we'll try this now. Follow me, don't go down too far, drone. There you go, there you go. Don't hit the basket. Okay, those are okay. No strawberry. I don't expect the strawberries on them right now. Let's check this out. Okay, we're gonna pick this one early. This one. We're gonna pick this strawberry. Uh-oh. Right here.
Continue, follow.
Okay, we'll try it again. Fussy old thing. Anyway. Let me cut this off. Nice strawberries. Nice big strawberries. Okay, next time I have to go up higher because it's not working too well the way it is. Okay, we'll pick that one too. I got mainly strawberry than anything else today. Yeah, that one can wait. Get rid of this stuff here. Okay. Let me put this cage back on. Yeah, Shelly says she wants to make a couple more strawberry baskets. Oh, stop fussing. Follow me, Jerome. Come on. I'm walking backwards. I wish it would follow behind me, but don't. It doesn't. Follow me up the steps. Okay. Oh, it got lost. Oh.
Please pay attention to the surrounding environment and avoid obstacles.
It said collision detected. Please pay attention, it says. Anyway, I'm going to close this out. I'm going in the house. Okay.
Hold up.
Okay, that's what we got here. We got strawberries, a lot of them. We got a few jalapenos, a few peppers, green peppers, one pepperoncini. This is supposed to be a yellow one, but it's not. A bunch of tomatoes. So what I'm going to do here, take the good ones out, the right ones out. See, these was from last week here. See, they already turned red. Move them out of the sun so they don't get overripe. Okay, this one a little bit longer. Okay, now I'm gonna add these. I'm gonna show you a picture right here from my last picking, my last harvest. And then I'll take a picture of this. So this is my last harvest, and this is what I got now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Till next time, later.